Forget gold, forget oil. In 2025, the hottest asset on earth is AI chips. Tech giants and billion-dollar investors are piling into GPU clusters like it's a digital gold rush. From Silicon Valley to Singapore, everyone's in a frenzy to build blue clusters, massive supercomputing farms to lure in the next AI unicorn. But there's one name that's standing out in the chaos: RightTeam AI, a rising startup that's redefining how AI integrates into your daily workflow. So today we are diving into the GPU arms race, billion-dollar chip wars, and how RightTeam AI is capitalizing on this wave with tools you can use today. Let's start with the basics. Generative AI models like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and RightTeam need massive computing power to run. We are talking thousands of high-end GPUs to train and serve these models in high time. And right now, there's not enough supply. So what's happening? Investors are pouring billions into data centers that specialize in building GPU farms. What insights are calling blue clusters? The strategy? Build the infrastructure, then offer it to promising AI startups in exchange for equity, access, and early partnership. Let me give you a sense of scale. Microsoft and OpenAI just announced a $100 billion AI data center project. Amazon's investing heavily into AI-focused server farm. Meta AI is scrambling to secure GPUs just to stay in the game. Even venture capitalists, usually focused on apps and SaaS, are now investing in physical infrastructure. Why? Because if you control the chips, you control the AI future. It's no longer just about software, it's about who has access to hardware at scale. In the middle of the chaos, one startup is making waves, RightTeam AI. While others are fighting over chips, RightTeam's already using them to power some of the most versatile, accessible, and results-driven AI tools for office workflows. Think of RightTeam as your AI-powered creative and productive assistant. Whether you are a marketer, freelancer, business owner, or even an HR team, RightTeam has tools that replace dozens of apps. What can it do? Generate blog posts and SEO content that ranks. Instantly create voiceovers for faceless videos. Create high converting email copy. Design ad creatives using AI generated visuals. And even optimize your website for Google, all just with a few clicks. That's where data centers are racing to offer GPU power to startups like RightTeam. They know it's building tools that real businesses need. RightTeam isn't just an experiment, it's like delivering real results. Let's talk about actual use cases. A digital agency scaled 5x faster by automating their client blog content with RightTeam's AI Writer. A creator went viral on TikTok using the AI voiceover tool to produce daily faces videos no mic needed. A sales team cut their cold email creation time by 90% using the personalized email generator. These tools are powered by same AI infrastructure investors are fighting tooth and nail to control. Investors aren't just looking for data centers, they're looking for next breakout AI company, and RightTeam checks all the boxes. Real world utility, scalable infrastructure, viral content potential, and a growing user base across creators, startups, and enterprise. That's why there's a rush to offer these startups discounted GPU accessible, because whoever supports the next big thing early wins. If you're a creator, a business owner, or even just AI curious, this is a time to get in. While investors fight over clusters, startups like RightTeam AI are handing you the power of AI on a silver platter. You don't need to know code. You don't need a big team. You just need the right tool. Try RightTeam AI today and see how you can scale content, marketing, and even your income without needing your own blue cluster. The AI gold rush is here, and your chips are the new treasure. While giants build billion-dollar GPU firms, smart creators and startups are already building the future with tools like RightTeam AI. I have dropped the link below. Go try it out. And if you want to stay updated on the real stories behind AI, what's hype and what's actually working, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Try RightTeam AI today.